I use this Evergreen color and clear acrylic powders with liquid monomer, all from Vanessa Nailz, with this size 12 KADS acrylic brush. And it's day 2 of this fall collaboration with Linda at Mature Sass. This collab is to bring in the change of the season and has always been my favorite time of year. I just love the bright, earthy changes of colors. There's this route to one of my jobs that I travel, and for about a mile, it's lined with tall, magnificent trees of yellow, gold, orange, burgundy, shades of green. Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? And if you're here from Mature Sass, welcome. What you like today? I do for you. Pick your color. And as you saw in the first collab video, I layer clear as a foundation to prevent staining of the nails. Oh, and did I introduce Kiko, my practice hand? If you're visiting, it's a thing for us to name our practice hands because they are our clients after all. I just hope she leaves me a good tip for this one because I'm so pleased with how they came out. Plus, we are peeping that big ring on her finger, right? So Kiko came with a picture of some nails. She said the theme for Linda's collab today is I'll live you forever. Isn't that cute? You guys know I'm just being playful, right? So this green was the closest I have to an olive green, and it's a translucent. If you watched yesterday's video, you're able to tell the difference in the two acrylics because I'm doing nothing different technique-wise. But this green is so gorgeous, and I'm so sorry the camera isn't letting it be all up in its greatness because it looks so good against Kiko's skin tone too. I'm also getting like a jade vibe, you know, like those jade necklaces with the gold kanji characters, which is actually what led me to choose the charm for this set. But let me just take a moment here because I find it so satisfying how this is going on, especially after how it went yesterday. Oh, and if you haven't seen that video, there'll be a link at the end of this one, and you can also find it in my description box. The goal when laying acrylic is to not have to do much filing after, and this is turning out so well. So yeah, Linda does mature fashion and she has good taste. She's been vlogging too. I love when she takes us shopping. And she has a series called Masked Monday, where it's all about catching up and a lot of chit chat over a morning cup. So don't forget to check out her channel. Be sure to let her know I sent you in love. Here's a finished look after the acrylic's been laid. And look guys, I've been training the new brush. And a quick update. It has shedded a few strands, so I'll give it a couple more uses before making a total commitment because remember, I also said I can tell the difference in its hairs. And if nothing else, it'll serve as a perfect backup brush. Another thing I've been wanting to mention is I noticed when editing and taking pictures, At certain angles, it looks like I didn't work all the way up to the cuticle, so I wanted to point out that I am working with the fingers pointed down, and it would give you that impression from your perspective. But when I grasp the final reveal, or like the thumbnail, it looks more close to what I see from my angle. I really think that this matte top coat made this color look even more elegant. It's so beautiful and velvety. If you've been liking this, do me a favor and hit the like button, and also leave me a comment. And this charm set it off all up in here. What's it gonna be? 'Cause I can't pretend. I just messed that song all up. I told y'all before, y'all don't want me to sing. So this was my first time doing this, and ooh-wee, it took something to get this charm on, but the final result, oh my gosh. It's so simple yet bold. I love it so much. Do you? If you do, remember to hit the like button. And if you want to check out the first video from this collaboration, you can find it by checking this link. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I really appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Much love.